How to use promo code on GrubHub. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can use promo code on GrubHub. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you can either log in via the GrubHub application or through the web browser to the grubhub.com. So once you're logged in, you have to scroll through it and select the food or the item that you would like to order. Then add your item to the bag or the cart. Once you have added your favorite item to the bag, navigate to top right, tap on your bag. Once you're on the checkout page, scroll down, there is an option to add a promo code. Tap on add promo code, and here you have to enter the promo code, then tap on apply. Once you do that, the discounted amount offered by your promo code will be applied for your amount or for the total amount that you have added into your bag. And under the checkout page, you will find your discounted amount. Once you apply your promo code, all you have to do is tap on proceed to checkout. Then you may be prompted to enter your payment details. After you complete that, you have used your promo code on GrubHub. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.